Welcome to our first video lecture. So I just want to take a moment and tell you that I'm going to put all of the videos for each section in one playlist. That means for those students in my traditional class that meets 2 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, there's going to be a lot of videos you can skip because we will have gone over them in class. Whereas for those of you in my hybrid class, you're going to want to watch all the videos. But I'm going to put them all in the same playlist because that way you can refer back to them if you miss a class or if you just want to see something explained again. So it's not a bad idea to rewatch those, but you do not need to. In fact, part one in particular is a section that you could pretty much just read through the lecture notes and be fine. I will say in my video lectures, I will break down what I like to put on tests and which questions are very similar to test questions. So they are definitely useful to watch, especially before we come back to that class where I'm going to expect you to have watched them because we're going to do usually a worksheet or some activity related to those videos. So anyways, enjoy!